All right, Dylan, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got a custom drying hydraulic roller. Obviously it's Borla. It's all blacked out for you. Beautiful piece. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Got the March serpentine belt set up. Onyx. We have got the rear sump oil pan on it. Yeah, we'll go fire her up and see how she runs. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 445 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 524, peaks horsepower 588, so it runs really good. That's just the front end on it, so we'll get her off there and we're going to get in a crate and come your way. So the next thing we're going to do is we'll pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and we're also going to show you something here. So when you receive your engine, there'll be this little SD card, looks like a credit card, business card. There is a ton of information in this. This has all your build specifications of your engine. It has technical notes in it, things of that nature. So definitely recommend once you receive it, put it in, play it. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. Have a great day.